Hi, I'm Shannon Rollins with Shannon Rollins Real Estate. "1009 Saluda Court, 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath, just over an acre lot. It's lakefront on a cul-de-sac adjacent to the golf course, and it has a completely custom kitchen. 18 Pavilion Lake Road is a 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath on 3/4 of an acre lot. It's got a completely updated kitchen, owner suite on the main level, and new roof in 2023. 35 Independent Lane, 4-bedroom, 3-bath on a 1/4 of an acre lot, owner suite on the main level, completely remodeled owner's bathroom. Mount Vintage Plantation is a gorgeous neighborhood with beautiful trees and varying lot sizes, and it has a golf course in the community as well as several other amenities. It's conveniently located in between Augusta, Georgia and Aiken, South Carolina in North Augusta, South Carolina, and has easy access to all the great things the CSRA has to offer. If you have interest in any of these homes or are thinking about selling yourself, give us a call. My team and I are on standby 7 days a week, ready to help you take the smoother road to sold.